Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of graphic. Visual art refers to any form of visual art that involves drawing, engraving or lettering. For example, his mature graphic work. The second definition of graphic. A vivid image with precise detail. For example, he gave a graphic description of the torture. American pronunciation. Graphic. Graphic. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Graphic. Say. Graphic. Graphic means relating to visual art. Graphic. Graphic. Graphic origin. Mid-17th century, via Latin from Greek graphikos. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The artist's other graphic techniques are much less obvious. Now, repeat after me. The artist's other graphic techniques are much less obvious. The second practice. Here are drawings, graphic works, watercolors, and oil paintings. Now, repeat after me. Here are drawings, graphic works, watercolors, and oil paintings.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.